Hello everyone, welcome to Lilliputian Lessons. I had posted a schedule to study for NEET PG 2022 earlier this month when the notice was announced by the NBE. Many students were in the middle of INI-CET prep schedule that time and hence were not able to start back then. So I'm modifying the previous schedule very minimally to help those who will be starting afresh after INI-CET. The schedule has 3 rounds of studying. A total of 130 days were present from 3rd of November when the announcement was made. That was split into 120 days for studying and 10 days for GTs. At present, we have 120 days left, and let's see how we can make the best use of this time. On the whole, we have just 120 days left. So let us split those 120 days into 4 parts: 60 plus 30 plus 20 plus 10. Okay, so you have to complete your first readings or first revision, to be more appropriate, in the first 60 days, the second revision in the next 30 days, the third revision in the next 20 days, and the last 10 days are the most crucial ones. You have to revise your 20th notebook and previous papers thoroughly. You write all your GTs as per this plan and review them on the same day. Okay, but in March, the month of the exam, if you don't want to write any GTs because you might feel anxious at that point, then do not write GTs. So let me start with the timetable in brief. First, we have the surgical segment: 4 days for surgery, 2 days for ENT, 2 days for ophthalmology, 2 days for orthopedics, and 25th of November, a day for GT. Followed by mother and child, where you have 2 days for obstetrics, 2 days for gynec, 2 days for pediatrics, 3 days for community medicine, and on 5th of December, you have a GT day. This is followed by medicine and medicines, where you have 4 days for pharmacology and the rest of it for medicine, and there is one buffer day on the 15th of December if you have anything pending, and on 16th of December is the GT day. This is followed by the laboratories, where you have 3 days for biochemistry, 4 days for microbiology, 3 days for pathology, and 27th of December will be a GT day. After this, you'll have the foundations, where you have 3 days for anatomy and 3 days for physiology. The original timetable was supposed to end here and your second revision was supposed to begin after this, but now there is a slight modification. Now we have the catch-up segment, where you have 1 day each for all the short subjects, one buffer day on 8th and a GT day on 9th of January. So we will be ending the first reading on 9th of January. So now I'll be telling you some general tips and tricks for NEET PG 2022 to study. Follow the pattern that was asked in NEET PG 21, easy to moderate level of difficulty. Don't attempt any out of the world difficult grand tests that will just suck down all your energy. Attempt without any breaks in between 9 and 12:30 p.m. Make sure you maintain your circadian rhythm. Attempt on a desktop or laptop preferably to get that real exam feel. And if it's possible and if it's known to distract you in earlier exams, do put on a mask and attempt the exam. Do go over these recommendations. Now, based on your current scenario, you find yourself in either one of the 4 categories. The first category is where you have already prepared well for 21 NEET and you're repeating once more. The second category is where you wrote 21 with inadequate preparation but you want to target 22 with full focus. The third option will be who have just started studying for the first time, and plan 4 will be students who want to study just enough to qualify in 2022. So for the students in category 1, please do MCQ discussion videos and revision videos thoroughly. More frequent GTs, please. Do custom modules. I cannot emphasize this enough. Custom modules are very, very helpful. And do multiple revisions of your 20th notebook. Don't waste your time on complicated and rare questions. Don't fall into the trap of information overload from all social media content, and don't start from any new source to study from now on. Your goal is to improve your MCQ solving skills and improve your score by at least 30 to 40 marks and get at least 6 to 8 questions more correct over the next 4 months. If you're in the second category, I would recommend you to use intern mode in Marrow or a similar mode in any other coaching platform. Identify those important chapters. Use classroom videos only for your weakest topics, and you have to cover it in the next 1 or 2 weeks. You please do MCQ discussion videos and revision videos, and do QBank modules of only weak topics. For everything else, use custom modules, and start creating your 20th notebook or revise the pearls frequently. Please don't solve complicated or rare questions, and don't waste your time over difficult GTs. Don't overload yourself with information from social media, and have only one source of study as your primary source. Your goal will be to improve your MCQ solving skills and improve your score by 50 to 60 marks, and get at least 10 to 12 questions more correct over the next 4 months. For those who are starting afresh now, do the classroom videos of weak topics and cover them in the next 2 to 3 weeks. For everything else, do revision videos and MCQ discussion videos, and the same instructions or recommendations as the previous categories follows for you too. And a special recommendation would be avoid rushing through everything if you have not studied before, because it just hampers the quality of your study. For those who have just targeted to qualify in the NEET PG, do your classroom videos of weak topics and the MCQ discussion videos. You can use recent NEET tags in your custom module, and those will be helpful. You can review up to 80 to 100 pearls every day. I emphasize once again, do not solve complicated or rare questions, and don't waste your time over difficult GTs. Don't overload yourself with information, and have only one primary source of studies. You should also improve your MCQ solving skills. I hope you found this timetable helpful. Do leave a comment below if you think it's nice. Share this video with your friends, and do consider subscribing to this channel for regular content. I'll see you around soon. Bye bye.